Hi guys, just a quick one. Mo from Moginger Studios here. I've used Minimax M2 to create a dance prompt generator for making your videos or prompts a lot quicker and easier. Now, if you want to access this, use access code Moginger like this, and I'll log in and show you what it's all about. Welcome to the Moginger Studios dance prompt generator. With this, you should be able to create epic dance prompts from either elegant ballet to hilarious mashups. Now, I haven't necessarily included absolutely every option in the drop downs, but I've included enough to get you started. And there's a box where you can actually add your own information. Now, what this does is I've generated this full prompt in the back end that allows you to fill in the variables, and all the variables are in these boxes. So it covers all the kind of things you'll need for making a decent prompt for a dance video and many other things really. So the V1 is the style and genre. I've fixed this for now, so it's a special prompt that I use. And it includes the hyper-realistic 8K resolution, dynamic volumetric lighting, and it's shot on a 35mm film. And then the dramatic rascal lightning. Anyway, V2 is the cinematography and lighting. So in here, I haven't added everything yet, but we've got dramatic low angle, golden hour tracking, handheld urgency, crane movements, static shots, micro detail. And then in here you can select a character or enter your own. So for this example, let's just make a K-pop group of 5 members, and I'll start with a sweep and crane reveal, and then we'll go for attire. You can enter your own details or choose one from here, so I'm going to go for tailored suit and dark sunglasses. Accessories, if you want to add an accessory, this is actually part of a bigger picture, because I was creating a template for something a little bit more unhinged, but for dance videos I would suggest selecting nothing. Dance style. Now, I've created in the back end full descriptions of these dance styles, so it will be added to the prompt properly. We're going to go for K-pop here. You obviously can enter another dance style, but I've got most covered, including online trends, etc. And then location. Again, you can enter your own or choose any of the ones that I've added here. So let's go for a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon lights. Yeah, or modern city rooftop at dusk. Let's go for a rooftop. Now you'll notice anytime you change these, the prompt gets updated here, and all you got to do is hit the copy button, and then you're ready to make your video. So if I go to Minimax, and let's just go to video, try now. Let's go over to video. Okay, as you can see, done a load of cool stuff before. So for this, we're going to use text to video. I'm just going to put the prompt in. Okay, so we've got the model selected, which is Hailuo 2.3, and then you can select 1080p. I can upgrade to get 10 seconds. I'll stick for 6 for now. It's going to cost me 80 credits. I'm actually going to do it in 768p, as this is just a demo. I'll save some credits. So boom, there we go. Can start going. Now, little trick when you're using my system. So when you're in here, you've just chosen all your options. You want to get multiple shots to add to a music video. So we've done the sweep and crane reveal. What you can actually do is just go through and change the camera, keep everything else the same because you want the same people, the same attire possibly. The other thing you can then change is where they are. So on stage, It updates here. You then just copy and chuck it into your Minimax. Boom, done. And then I've made a video like this where I've just kept most of the details the same and then just gone through changing the camera angle and the location setting. This prompt gets updated, you just copy and paste again, boom. And as you can see, what you'll basically end up doing is create multiple shots to then put into an editor to create your dance video. At the moment, I'm allowing access to this to everyone because it's just a test, really. It has a lot of information in there, but really all what you can do is if there's drop downs that you want extra stuff, you can just add the descriptions manually. You can put your own characters in. I've just made some randoms up. Attire, again, you can choose from the drop down list, or you can put your own attire in. When I was making unhinged videos, it's sometimes quite funny to have people holding accessories like a giant oversized shotgun, but that's not really relevant for this dance video, so clicking nothing means they'll hold nothing. Or you can put something in the description. Then I have got quite a few different dance options, including dad dancing. But if you live in England and you watch Strictly Come Dancing, you'll see that I've also added all the Strictly Come Dancing styles that they use, like the Matador, Paso Doble, Argentina Tango, and all sorts of stuff. And then chucked in a bit of Capoeira and Tai Chi, and then we've got a few TikTok challenges or YouTube challenges like Express Challenge. Again, something I just experimented with last night, but it was a bit of fun. So yeah, hope you enjoy.